Welcome to our overview of how artificial intelligence works. It's a fascinating field that's rapidly changing our world. We'll start with a basic introduction to artificial intelligence and its core concepts. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. It's about making machines think and learn. The key components of AI include machine learning, neural networks, and the vast amounts of big data they process. The foundation of AI is learning, which is driven entirely by data. Data is the lifeblood of AI. High-quality data is essential for training models to make accurate predictions and decisions. Machine learning has three main types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, each serving different learning objectives. Next, let's look at the core technologies that power modern AI systems. Neural networks are modeled after the human brain, consisting of interconnected nodes or neurons that process information and learn from data. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning using multi-layered neural networks, enables advanced applications like image recognition and complex data analysis. We will now cover how AI models are developed and put into action for real-world use. AI models are trained using iterative processes involving loss functions and optimization algorithms to refine their accuracy over time. Once trained, AI models are deployed to perform tasks in various real-world scenarios, from optimizing logistics to powering smart devices. Let's explore where you encounter AI every day and its broader societal impact. AI is integrated into our daily lives, powering recommendation systems for streaming services and virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. The future of AI promises continued growth, driving innovation across industries and creating new possibilities for human-computer interaction. To conclude our overview, let's quickly review the essentials of how AI functions. In short, AI learns from vast amounts of data using sophisticated algorithms, primarily through neural networks, to perform complex tasks and continuously improve its performance.